Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Mike Gorman. We're here on Facebook and YouTube answering some questions from patients. I just got a patient today that asked me about GERD and said, hey, can you guys help GERD? I said, yeah. For those of you that don't know, GERD stands for gastroesophageal reflux disease. So basically it has to do with indigestion or poor digestion, where the stomach actually starts to slide up through your diaphragm, and it can actually cause different issues. Most commonly gas, bloating, heavy feeling in the chest, things like that, very uncomfortable feeling. Very common, unfortunately, digestive issues, GERD being one of them, are some of the most common things in the United States as far as conditions or health problems. Why is that? Probably because the number one thing that affects that is stress. When your body's stressed, what ends up happening is your body shunts blood to all of your extremities and it kind of steals it away from your stomach. And when we talk more about stress, we can go way more into why that is, but let's just leave it at that for now. And so a lot of the treatment that we do for that is related to helping people with stress. It's related to giving things like digestive enzymes and probiotics to help soothe the gut, help aid digestion, things like that. And then we also teach techniques to help people handle their stress better, and we also have health coaching and things like that to help with lifestyle management. But one of the biggest things that is missing in the treatment of GERD, especially from a natural perspective, is making sure that the nervous system is doing well. And that's where the chiropractic treatment fits in. So there's a couple things that affect GERD and digestion. One is if the upper neck is out of alignment, and it very, very commonly is, that affects not only the nerves that are up in the upper neck and where they go, but it affects a nerve called the vagus nerve. The vagus nerve is one of the most important nerves in the entire body. And the vagus nerve is what controls your entire autonomic nervous system, including your digestive system. So if that's pinched or choked or irritated or interfered with, then that can have a huge impact, probably the most common impact, on your digestive system. So our approach is really three-dimensional in nature. We're looking at physical things, like chiropractic to the upper neck and the upper back. The nerve right here at T5 is a common area up in here where people hold stress and carry stress. And they sit all day at work and they're hunched over. They put a lot of wear and tear and strain on that. That nerve also goes at T5 directly to the stomach. So these things cause the stomach to malfunction or dysfunction, eventually leading to GERD or the symptoms of GERD. Then we've got biochemical types of things, right? Food sensitivities, food allergies, which we can test in our office. Some you're aware of, some you're not. We've got nutritional deficiencies, things like that. Our whole environment, we live in the most toxic time in history, and we've got massive nutritional deficiencies. So we're being bombarded from all angles. And one of the number one things that all that holistic things causes is GERD. So when we look at all of this from a holistic perspective, we try to put all the pieces together and look at some physical things, some nutritional things, and give you some things to help with stress in our attempt to help address GERD. For more information on that or any other health conditions, please visit our website at gorman-health.com.